Yo everyone, what's going on? What's going on? Sorry, we just needed to sort some things out. I'm going to just send the link to the group and tag Chen to notify. So Yousef and I are currently looking at some currency pairs. Bro, I don't know if this thing's working.
It should be working.
You go try and click.
I'm trying to get it.
Oh my god.
Can you guys hear us? Just type in the chat if you guys can hear us. And let's get rolling. Just mute the mic.
Coming through.
Bro, it's still this, bro.
Coming through.
Bro, it's still this, bro. Oh no, it's working. It's working. Okay, guys, so it seems like everything's working. Let's get started. Please share the link, Yousef, if you can.
Sure.
Let's get started, everyone. We are live now. How's everyone doing? There's no one in there. What's going on, Rodriguez? How are you doing, brother? Good morning. We're waiting for New York to open right now. I think it opens in 7 minutes. How's everyone doing today? Oh, amazing. Okay, cool. The new link's just been updated. That's great. How are you guys doing this morning? Okay, cool. That's great, brother. Thank you. Appreciate that. How are you doing, my brother?
All right, let's run through the market. So today, if you guys seen on the Discord, we have taken a long. I've sent it through today. We took a pound yen long, and the risk reward was 1 to 12, and everyone risked around 3.3%, and then take profit got hit. Zero drawdown, 36% up.
Yeah, Yousef started off with a banging trade. First trade on the Discord and a win. So he's doing super well on his first trade.
Let's see if we can get some trades together on the live. Looking at...
What's up, XRP Verified? How you doing, brother? How you doing? We are going to run you guys through some currency pairs. I think we're just having a little bit of issues here with the stream. Can everyone hear us all good? Is everything going okay there? What's going on, guys? You guys can hear us all good? Amazing, amazing. So me and King Azoulay are gonna get started here. Amazing. Let's get started. So what I'm currently looking at right now on GBP USD at the moment is I'm looking at possible longs. We are still holding the sell side resistance levels that I showed you guys yesterday on that stream, and we've made a bullish movement all the way up to around 1.34026. So this morning I took an attempt on a short. I saw there being a possibility of the market going down. We did just break the 50 MA, but at the moment we've broken back up to the upside, and I'm looking for a long around 1.33648. There's a nice 61.8 fib in our stop loss, and we've also got some liquidity lying here that I think we could take out and make another bounce to the upside. And then looking at Euro USD as well, there was actually a really clean trade on the 50 MA this morning. I saw that trade play out, but I was in shorts on GBP USD, so I didn't want to go against the bias. But I do see that being a possibility of 1.15518 getting hit and a possible long from there. We're seeing the 50 MA creeping up. It's looking pretty good. The markets haven't been the best today. We've just kind of been flying up. There hasn't really been much opportunity to enter.
To make it smaller, they can't see it.
They can't see
the
it.
screen, yeah.
They can't see any of it.
Yeah, just gotta watch. Screen, yeah, it's quite big.
But they can't see any of it.
Yeah, just push it more out to the left. There you go.
Sorry guys, I didn't realize that you couldn't see the screen, but let me just quickly go through GBP USD once again. So I'm looking for longs around 1.33848. We broke the 50 MA early this morning, and we haven't really looked back since. We're just pumping straight to the upside. I do see a possibility though of a healthy pullback using the fib at the 61.8 level, because I just see our main buy side target that I spoke about yesterday up here at 134.343 getting hit hopefully sometime today or tomorrow. But I am still pretty bullish on GBP USD. We did attempt to take a short this morning. Unfortunately, it didn't play out. And then looking at Euro, as we can see now, I think we've just opened for New York, or we're about to open. I do see there being a possibility of a long. The screen does not fit if you're streaming at 720p.
That's good.
You can see everything.
Yeah, just give it this way.
We cannot see the price scale. Mr. ScalpX. Stream is in 1080p, zoom out on the chart to see chat values. So can you guys see the chart? Is everything...
Yeah, they can't see the price on the left. Just make the screen smaller if you can.
I can't.
If you go to the top.
I can't make... I genuinely cannot make it.
Let me show you.
I can't, because I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, we will just put the price in there. Just mention all the prices.
Unfortunately, sorry guys, there's a bit of problems here. We didn't have much time to set up here, but let me just display the prices for you guys quickly. Let me just display these quick. So that's our entry price. TP. This is gonna take forever. I can only see a small part of NAS 100 tab. Yeah, well, we're not looking at NAS right now. We will get to that soon. No sound. Is there a chance for short 𝗕𝗃𝗏𝗄𝗏 here? We're gonna look at that now.
I will be looking at 𝗕𝗃𝗏𝗄𝗏. That's my specialty.
So you guys, you can only see a small part of the screen. Or there is sound. Okay, cool. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just getting used to this. But yeah, at the moment, I'll go through all the pricing now. Once King Azoulay has done his analysis, and then we can chat about pricing. I'll get you through a more extensive analysis. But at the moment, both on EU and GU, we are looking pretty bullish. I'll update you guys now in a couple of minutes, and then once Yousef has gone through all of his stuff. So I'm going to hand over to you quickly.
So guys, what's going on?
No, don't pull. You're gonna
You guys ready to take some trades? We're just waiting for volume to kick in and it's taking forever. Thanks for letting me know how much the screen is visible. I can see it in front of me.
Yeah,
So-
sorry guys, we didn't get everything set up quick enough, unfortunately. But
So guys, Bitcoin, we're looking to short around... Can I just move up here?
yeah,
I can't really see. We're looking to short around 63.100 will be a good short. We're just waiting for the volume to kick in, and then
speak closer to the mic.
waiting for the volume to kick in. We have seen the liquidity sitting all over here. There's a lot of liquidity all over. We're just going to wait for a nice push to the upside, see how far we can go, and then we can hopefully short around here. We wait for rejections on some candles, throw wicks to the upside, and yeah, hopefully we get it on the live over here. I see it's dumping right now.
Price has been pretty good on GJ. You guys would have seen Yousef's long this morning. It was a banger. King Azoulay the second, hitting those longs.
Let me run you. This is the trade we took on GJ this morning on the Discord. So we've entered at 213,500. I've sent it when the market was over here, around here, and I went to 12. We raised 3.3% on that. So hopefully we can get something like that on the stream. GBP AUD, I'm looking to long. Well, let's see if it can give us the opportunity to long around 1.89500. So if we can get this entry over here, this is our entry on GBP AUD. And obviously, if there's any changes, any behavior change on the market, we will update you guys on the Discord.
You need to come closer to the mic.
This one's working, yeah. We will update everything on the Discord so we can get the most accurate entry, and then To be honest, looking at everything, I've wrote it down on my book. Literally everything is looking bullish today, but I'm looking for things to change in New York session. If it does, we're going to make a lot of money.
This guy says he just took a short from that 63.1k position on BTC. I want to go look at that quick.
BTC. 63. That's really good entry.
No, nice entry, brother.
A nice entry, but then just be careful. Make sure you break even on your position. New York might just come in and go hard to the upside, fake everyone out. And then you got Uncle Trump on the other hand.
Trump is going to, unfortunately, maybe bump price up a little bit, take you out, and then send it to hell. I see that some guys didn't obviously get their trade triggered earlier today. We are sorting that out in the next couple of days, so we will have everything sorted out for you guys hopefully by next week.
He said he's longing. Troy,
Okay.
why are you longing? Why are you going against the market, brother?
Come on, bro.
Brother, you see over here, there is all of these orders that need to be filled. Have you never studied the footprint chart? If you really look at these numbers inside of these candles, these orders that need to be filled. So you'll be lucky if you get a reaction from here. If you do, make sure you get out of that long, because the market needs to dump at least until here to fill up all the orders over here. Then you can get some turbulence. I don't see why you're going long.
From here, yeah. What was Troy? What was the reason? What was the reason for that long? What was the reason for that long?
Trend line.
Probably trend line. We can press the price on the left, huh?
So I want to run you guys through USD JPY.
USD JPY is looking like it's time.
So
to
we have a
explode.
lot of liquidity sitting over here on GBP JPY, and I'm looking for these orders over here to be filled, and seeing some weak rejections, and then hopefully we can get a 125. This is my weekly target over here, 160,500. 160,500. So if you are in a long anywhere
I
here,
can't see anything, bro.
you can target this area here.
Thanks a lot for the stream. What is the TP for BTC short? If you guys go check out the Discord, you'll see the BTC Yousef has labeled that all. But the TP is 59,307 for BTC, and the entry is 62,080.
But remember, guys, with my trading style, I'm not looking to be in the market for a long time. If it gives it to me and I'm in a trade, I'll hold. I'll look at the price action. I'll look at how much orders there is to the downside, how much orders there is to the upside. It's about how big is your stop loss. So like on this trade, I'm looking at 1 to 12.23, like I mentioned on the Discord. So if I can get a $1,000 move, that can give me a 1 to 12. So if I'm risking $100, I'm making $1,200. So it's a 59 if your stop loss is, if you enter the 63 and your stop loss is at 66, it's not gonna be a lot. It's a 1 to 1, but it's still something. But your risk to reward is off overall.
We need to move the price to let's put it on there.
The price should be fine.
They can't see it.
You new to the Forex world, join the Discord. We will run you through everything.
Okay, guys, so I've moved the price to the left, so let me know if you guys can see that now. Should be better for all of you. We're on Discord. We are on ScalpX. ScalpX Discord. If you guys are not on that yet, I'll drop the link in the bio right now.
So we can look at if we reverse from here, we can look at entering over here. Now you guys can see the price. We're looking at this entry. Let me run you through everything again. GBP AUD.
Where exactly you'll see it on King Azulay's channel. That's where you'll see the Bitcoin short. Nice, Troy. That was probably the correct move to enter at break even.
Honestly, if you guys are not in the Discord, you're missing out.
Yeah, move it to the side.
So GBP NZD, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a market to push down, grab some orders over here, fill up some orders, and then push to the upside. This is my weekly target. This is a big one, to be honest. We're looking at this weekly target over here, and that's 1 to 25. So if we can get that today, but to be honest, the market is so dead. We just sitting here and waiting. Price is going nowhere on the Forex market.
Yeah, at the moment, guys, there's not really much. At the moment, it's the price is just completely.
Hopefully we can get something on the Nasdaq 100. Let me just check the Nasdaq 100.
Changing that so that they can. So let's just check out GBP USD at the moment. It looks like GU is potentially coming down to our entry. Let's see what Euro is doing. It's looking similar. So I'll give you guys an update on that. I'll keep an eye on that. Yousef, you want to run them through Nasdaq? It looks like it's coming.
Yeah, Nasdaq. Let's get some trades rolling on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, it's quite bearish. Why? Okay, wait, hold on. This one over here, we just need to do Nasdaq so they can see the pricing. So Nasdaq,
why is your BTC short position on Discord dropped to 64,200?
what are they talking about?
Why is your BTC short position on Discord dropped to 64,200? Are you talking about entry? Was your Discord entry different? Did you?
Bitcoin. Yeah. That's what I said on Discord, but we just waiting for confirmation. I've told you guys join the live and then we can update everything on here. Nasdaq, it's looking like it's gonna go short. So let me teach you guys a trick that I mentioned earlier on the webinar on the Discord. So it's quite simple. All you gotta do is take previous low to previous high and enter -27. You will definitely see a reaction from here. Market is quite bearish, so all you gotta do is get in this position, get a reaction, go break even, because you will always get a reaction. Let me just make this accurate. So we're looking at 29,825 for short, and then
where are you targeting?
I'm targeting way lower, to be honest. My real target is 28,500, so we can get 1 to 12. That will be nice. If you guys really want to be secure and you don't want to risk anything, what you can do is put your stop losses above here. So we're looking at 29,980. So that can be your stop loss if you're looking to short. And then once you get a reaction, it goes back to 0, so we can look for something like it triggers in.
He says the entry listed much higher.
Yeah, that's right. The entry listed much higher on the Discord, but I've said on the webinar, come to the stream and then I'll update everything.
Nice.
If it goes that high, that's going to be the best entry of the year for you, because you're gonna make so much money because the risk to reward is so high on it.
So it seems like Euro and GU.
Gotta push it more to the left. Just stay on that tab I was in, Nasdaq tab, and then go to the right and.
I think they can see now.
Yeah. Just
So-
go on the left. More on the left. On the left.
For Euro, it looks like we're having a little bit of a bounce. I would not get in just yet. I want price to come fetch this 50 MA. Once it's done that, I definitely see potential of going higher. So if you take your low to high, I taught you guys this a little bit earlier. When you want to enter a move, you want to take low to high of your leg, and then you'll get your fib retracements of 38, 61.8 and 78. As I said earlier, your 38 is for very, very bullish or bearish markets. So the market must be extremely trending. So it needs to be almost just pumping up. So an example of that I'll show you guys soon. And then the 61.8 is a healthy retracement. So the 61.8, you want to see price come down, trade into that area, and have a little bit of a bounce, showing you that price is rejecting that level and has the potential to move higher. And then if we go as low as the 78, what I would recommend for you guys is that you should not get into trades. If we do close below the 78 level, it is most likely to go down and break into a bearish environment, and vice versa if you are in a bearish environment. But that's what I'm currently looking at on EU. Let me just check out GU for you guys quickly. So GU is looking pretty similar. I'm also waiting for a bounce around the 61.8 level. But at the moment, I'm actually more interested at EU. It's looking a bit cleaner. Price hasn't reached its daily max either. So it's definitely a pair that could go a bit higher. And then Yousef had GA. GA is looking like we could come back to entry. So looks like GBP New Zealand dollar is looking pretty clean.
Yeah, I see the market is kicking in now. So looking at gold, we're gonna short gold soon. Nasdaq just gave us the tap perfect. We currently in the short in Nasdaq. So let's see if that area will hold.
Yeah.
Just go to the Nasdaq. Wait, hold on.
So Nasdaq just tagged us in. Okay.
Yeah. We got in at perfect.
So Nasdaq just tagged us in for a short. Not sure if any of you guys got into the short. Any of you guys in the short, drop a message in the Discord saying yes.
like I mentioned, guys, all we gotta do is see a reaction, go break even, and let it be, you know.
Using 9
And make
minutes.
sure you cover your commission. Just look at the broker, go to the settings
Alex
of
is
the
in. A lot of people in.
go to the broker or to your account and see how much commission you're getting charged, and make sure you cover that commission.
Remember, guys, break even. You want to always be covering your commission. You don't only want to have your break even at your entry, because at the end of the day, exchanges and brokerages do charge commission on opening and closing a position. So just make sure to cover those commissions so you are actually break even when you exit your long or short.
I'm looking to long gold, to be honest. I'm just waiting for one more push around 4,364, and then we can short from that area. It's a very strong area. I still believe gold is going to
Which
go.
stock market are you currently in? Sorry, I was away for a moment. We're currently looking at NASDAQ. That's the only stock market we are currently looking at. We are in shorts on NAS right now. Can you recommend a prop trading firm for trading Forex and gold? Trading Forex and gold is on a prop account. I would sit tight, Etienne. I think you asked this question a little bit earlier this morning. Sit tight. We are sorting something out for you guys very, very soon. So give us a few days, and we'll be able to.
Do you see that beautiful reaction that I just explained on the -27?
Crypto, gold, silver, Forex stocks, Moo. I've never looked at Moo, so I wouldn't be able to.
At what?
Moo.
Mumu.
What's that?
No, we only trade.
Moo.
We
Moo
only.
sounds like they might, yeah.
It sounds like you know, these anime Chinese characters.
Yeah. Guys, Loki, which DEX platform is suitable for Forex?
Come to the
Bybit is what we are using at the moment. I'm currently doing a challenge on the Discord, taking $100 to 10K. So, and that's fully through Bybit.
Oh, look at that beautiful reaction on Nasdaq. Beautiful, look at that. If you guys are in this trade, just make sure you go break even now, because the candle is gonna close in 5 minutes. So just make sure you go break even. There you go. Look at that beautiful push to the downside. Gold.
Oh.
I'm looking at gold, and I wanted to just miss my entry, to be honest. I
Holy
wanted
shit.
to give it to you guys on the live, so it never triggered my alarm.
Check GU. What's going on GU?
So
King Azoulay, will you take on the challenge with Thomas?
yeah, of course I can. I will probably do a different challenge.
Yeah. The boys are working hard on the cooking.
But to be honest,
working hard or hardly working.
if you're in Thomas challenge, what you can do is take the trades I send, and then
yeah, we both Forex traders. We've been trading together for a while now. So, you know, we trade a lot together.
I'll be
so
running like gold, Bitcoin, a couple of Forex pairs, Nasdaq, and Thomas will be focusing a lot on he's like a GBP USD god and Euro USD. So to be honest, you don't need more than one pair. Oh, look at that, beautiful.
Naz is looking naughty.
It's looking naughty, yeah?
Naz is looking quite naughty.
It went kaboom.
Yeah, are you guys in profit on this Naz trade that we called? Is it possible to type in the levels on the graph? The price scale is not fully visible. Just go back to the one where it is. I think it's that one now. Go to Nas.
Oh, look at that. That's a 9/11 drop. Look at that
I missed a
beautiful
Nas
entry.
transaction.
So
𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗓, you in. Kaboom. 0 drawdown. You know, that's what we like to
so
do.
this is not our stop loss. Our stop loss. I was just explaining. If you guys, I was just explaining this trick over here. If you take the low to the high and you don't know where to place your stop loss, what you can do is that place your stop loss above the 61.8.
Lucas Conrad, you in Nas? Amazing, brother.
Nice, my man is printing.
Come on.
Our original stop loss. Let me just check. I've taken Nasdaq. So our original stop is.
Do you guys happen to have any tips on about achieve a consistent advantage with GBP JPY? Is it advisable to trade with one currency pair instead of adding more? If it is really getting me excited, thanks. I would recommend focusing on one currency pair when you first start trading. That's definitely what both me and King Azoulay did do. I started with GBP USD, and it's been my baby, my wife, my girlfriend, my side piece, the whole way. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes it's frustrating. You know, sometimes you like looking at the pair and nothing's happening, and you're going and looking at all these other pairs and so much is happening. But what I would recommend is you're going to be the most consistent when focusing on just one pair. That is just what I found. I'm sure King Azoulay can back me up.
Yeah, no, 100%. Like, if you come to me at any time of the day and you ask me where pound yen is, I'll tell you, because that's what I'm good at. I can hit pound yen any time of the day, any price, no problem, any market condition. When you really focus on one pair, you start adapting naturally to the behavior of the market, because the market is never moving in one day.
Stop loss on Nasdaq is 29,891.
So on Nasdaq, what you can do is just double tap on the risk to reward and then put stop level as 750, and then it will give you the price. Go to ticks and then put it at 750. But you guys should be break even by now on Nasdaq.
Hopefully you guys are break even at the moment.
Unfortunately, we missed gold.
Yeah, that would have been clean, eh?
I missed gold by
A pip.
that's
less.
well, that's what you get when you're too accurate.
Yeah? A wine candle. Nas is melting, absolutely melting. Trump probably tweeted that he's
USD JPY
going to war with China.
and kill Trump.
Trumpy. How's GU looking? Go check it out.
GU, I'm looking to short, to be honest. GU would be a nice short. What do you think? Oh no, that's GBP and ZD. Wow, look at that beautiful entry. Just delete that for me.
This is GBP and ZD.
So if you guys want, what you can do is you can.
It's Alex Moore says I just completed my first financing application with that NQ transaction.
What? I just completed my first financial application with my. Nice.
Nice, brother. I'm not entirely sure what that is, but is it? Are you trading on a prop firm, or how does that work? I'm a bit confused there.
I think he means that he made money.
Yeah, I'm hoping so.
But he remind me of my principal at school, where he will speak all these long words where I don't understand anything, and I never used to speak English properly that time.
You never used to speak English, so you used to just yap nonsense to you. What is the stop loss for Bitcoin? Bitcoin, I'll bring that up for you right now. Bitcoin stop loss is
63,367. So you can put it 63,400 flat.
So you guys can put 63,400 flat for Bitcoin.
Do I sound a bit weird?
No,
Because
you always sound
my
good.
nose is blocked because
I think
I'm
your
feeling a bit
YouTube is
sick
banned.
today.
I think YouTube banned it or something. Funded, I think YouTube banned it or something. Not entirely sure what that means. Do you?
Bitcoin 63,400 fixed. Yeah, that will do.
That'll do. Price is still looking to transact into that level, so let's wait and see what happens. See what Euro's doing.
Beautiful. You guys took some partials on Nasdaq. What's going on?
Let's check out Nasdaq. Nasdaq's melting. We just tapped the 50 MA, so you can go break even if you want.
No, they have to be break
Yeah.
even. Tap the 50 MA, so we will see a reaction. And
So everyone get out, set your stop loss to break even. We want to see if we can break this 50 MA level. If we can, we should see price dump further to the downside. But if we hold this 50 MA level, it might take you guys out at break even.
Which
Ali,
most
are you by
likely
any
not
chance
to be
from
honest.
Austria? Yeah, the same accent as Austria. Who's Ali? Are you Ali?
No, Ali is the guy I'm gonna fight with.
No, King Azoulay. Wasn't this a short position on? No, the position you're looking at right now is Nasdaq.
Oh my god, are you being serious? So you telling me that we short in Nasdaq and you short in Bitcoin?
King Azoulay, can you confirm the BTC short?
Yes. What's your numbers?
Ashish. The price is approaching key area. We're waiting for confirmation. Yeah, he just dropped your Discord post. What a G. What a legend. Just make sure, guys, go BE on Nasdaq if you aren't already.
So that's the one I sent on the Discord. That's for like a really good fucking entry. But currently, if it doesn't want to go that high, we're going to enter at 63.60, 63.100. And our stop loss will be at 63,400. Let me just repeat that. 63,100 for short on Bitcoin, and stop loss can be at 63,400. And take profit, we're looking at 59,300.
I have GBPAD short and I'm waiting. Okay, so what trades do we currently have open? Let me run you guys through that quickly. So we are in NAS shorts right now. Again, if you are not BE, go BE now. It seems like if we are holding this 50 MA, if we do break down the 50 MA, I would say it's gonna send this price straight to hell, right to our 200 MA, and then if we break that level, we flying. We dumping. We dumping hard.
Yeah. No, you guys will definitely get at least a 1 to 5.
100%.
So 1 to 5 secures some profit. Call it a day if you want.
Exactly.
If you're risking $100, $500, that's good
perfect.
money.
Exactly. So we in Nasdaq, we waiting for GA. GA might get an entry around here. GBP NZD. GBP NZD is still hasn't transacted into our price range. USD JPY.
Go back to GBP NZD. I think we can get a trade from here on GBP NZD. We can just wait for a green candle on the 15 minutes and then just go along with that. Hopefully we can get it on the live. Yeah, so let me just... Go to
Break
the
the-
4 hour.
Let's see.
Zoom in. Yeah. So you guys can long now GBP NZD, and stop loss can be below the low. Let me just throw it on for you guys. So what you can wait for is a few.
It is a bit confusing. I didn't know when you had made the Nasdaq transaction and I followed the live stream. Okay. Apologies on that, JK. We will fix that next time. We're just covering a lot of pairs, so we kind of going through a lot of pairs.
So
it might be confusing, but I think some people did catch it. They wanted me to show my Fibonacci settings.
So you guys can.
Have you guys all joined the Discord? I did share my Fibonacci
So guys,
settings in the Discord.
we can look at the trade like this, and this can be a trade if we can get
They
a
can't
push
see.
from here.
They can't see.
If not,
They can't see.
what we can do is that
I don't think this.
what you can do is wait for a 15 minutes to close green, and just make sure you have your stop loss at 29,300. That's on GBP NZD. But if you can get an entry like this, that will be beautiful.
Very clean. Clean.
But go back to that. But to be honest, GBP NZD. To be honest, I doubt the market will go back that low. So what you can do is wait for a 15 minutes to close green.
On that long.
And then long it. And the target is
What? 2.31796. So that's a target for GBP NZD. What is your opinion on a classical technical analysis? It seems like you are making quick decisions without performing a technical analysis on the chart. Do you have a very quickly based on long-term liquidity or something like that? Well, something you must understand is that for these streams we prepare. So King Azoulay and I...
when you trading for years, you start just trading using the crosshair. I promise you, I've done it so many times where I just use the crosshair, and that's all you need.
And they must understand that we've gone through the charts already today. We
100%.
We know the direction.
I eat, I sleepy, I charty.
What is the SL for GBP NZD? The SL for GBP NZD is, give me a sec,
It's
2.29204.
or you can just make it 200 flat.
Or 200 flat. But to be honest with you, technical analysis is obviously very important. You need to understand direction before you can execute any trades. 2-3 years of crypto talk and then forgotten. Yeah, exactly. 𝗪𝗲𝗡 Euro USD at the moment, it hasn't really come into any levels that I would possibly long from, to be honest with you guys. It's not looking very pretty, if I can say that. For the least, it's not looking great, King Azoulay?
Ooh, look at that Nasdaq trade dumping, mamma mia.
Nasdaq is dumping. If you guys
What do you
in this
usually
trade,
say for Nasdaq?
Nasdaq smoking on that fucking ass crack, my boy. That Nasdaq it's dumping, boys. It's
You know, this guy
course,
never
brother.
fails to make me laugh.
Nasdaq on that ass crack, bro. I hope you guys are in this Nas trade because we are printing on this.
They
Nas
should
trade.
be up 2.5 by
Yeah.
now.
You guys have to go B. If you guys are on B, I don't want to see any complaints in the Discord about not going B if you get stopped out. Please go B if you are not already.
The thing is, they're always making money on the Discord. They never complain. I've never seen a complaint till now. Oh wow, they're 1-4 up. That's a 1-4 right
It's a
there.
banger. That's an absolute banger.
Well,
So
let's
Nasdaq
see.
is dumping. Euro USD is still EURUSD, honestly, at the moment, I'm not liking the look of EURUSD right now.
So the target on Nasdaq, if you really want to swing that, what you can target is
Next, oof, we're pumping down.
28,200 flat. So let's adjust the target.
So guys, Nasdaq, we took live on this stream. It's absolutely dumping.
So I just adjusted the target. So we're looking at, this is our target over here.
So 1 to 40 or 1 to 20.
You guys can screenshot if you want.
Screenshot this, guys. If have you already placed orders on the Nasdaq? Yeah, we're already in on Nasdaq. Unfortunately, if you're not in, do not get in, please.
Yeah, look.
Sorry, guys. A bit little decency. My son here is studying business. Is watching. Studying business. We apologize. We apologize.
If you guys want to enter this trade, what you can do is, whenever you see a pullback, let's say the market start pulling back from here, what you can do is take the high to the low and just short 61.8.
100%.
But the only problem is you're not gonna get a risky reward like we did on the live with you guys. You're not gonna get a 21. So your stop loss is gonna be a bit bigger, which is fine. You'll still get 1 to 10. It's just that your stop loss is gonna be double. But let's see, it's fine. Let's see how that plays out.
Okay, so at the moment we're in Nas short, looking pretty good.
I don't hear anything from the guy that shorted Bitcoin. That went long on Bitcoin.
What happened, Troy, on that long on Bitcoin? You still in that or no?
It's fine. We made it back for him on Nasdaq.
Yeah, hopefully he's in that. Euro still doing absolutely nothing. We cooking on Nas. Absolutely smoking.
So guys, when this 15 minutes close on GBP NZD, you guys can look to take longs. And just make sure your stop loss is gonna be quite big on this one. So
on which exchange, Yousef, they're asking?
We still working on Nasdaq. We're still working to find. Our team is busy with that, to find you the base exchange, and if you use our link so you can get discount on commissions and stuff, because you know commission eat up your account quickly.
Yeah, 100%.
If you open in one contract, they charge in around $7 plus, which is a lot. If you have a $200 account, and it's quite a lot. So we're looking to find you guys the best of the best for Forex trading, CFDs, because we're going to be trading gold. We're going to be trading Bitcoin. You already have that. We're going to be trading a lot of currencies. We're going to be trading everything on ScalpX, guys. Come on, that's what we do here.
Exactly.
So
this is going to be hopefully something that's going to be happening on the daily. Maybe.
Oh, I love this closure.
Yeah.
Do you see that red line?
We're going to dump.
That closure is telling you that I want to dump, baby.
I want to dump hard.
I want to go to hell with you.
What does that even mean? And what about the integrated broker? Thomas? Aren't you already trading via BitBuy? Yeah, I'm trading via Bybit. Yes, exactly, Lucas. So for everyone that wants to follow along in the meantime,
guys, he's doing a challenge from $100 to $10,000. So basically, all you gotta do is follow him on the Discord, follow his trades, and just take them. It costs you $100. So,
you know, if you guys are willing to take the risk, then go for it. I'm going to absolutely smash that challenge in the next few days. Which moving averages are you using? We're using the 50 and the 200 MA.
So GBP/USD, we're looking to enter around this area over here. Let me just make sure. Okay, guys, so take note. I'm gonna give you all the pricing now. Thomas, what's your entry on GBP/USD?
We don't have an entry yet, but I am looking for a possible entry. This was the...
Okay, so
No, it's
Thomas is gonna update you guys on the Discord about GBP/USD. GBP/JPY is
Smoke
still
3 TP.
quite long. We hit a 1 to
1 to
12.
11, yeah.
0 drawdown. Tell me, where do you get that?
Which Discord server is his name?
King Azoulay.
King, will you accept the challenge? Your BTC short take profit is hit before you enter.
What?
This guy says your BTC short take profit is hit before you enter.
His account's probably my spread.
I'm missing Nasdaq. Where's the new entrance? We're not looking for a re-entry
So
on
guys,
Nasdaq.
like I said, on the 15 minutes closure on GBP/NZD, you can enter if you want, and then just make sure once we go over here, you guys can go break even, because it looks like it's gonna pump to the upside right now. If it takes you out break even, it is what it is. I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord, of course. For Euro USD, that's what I was talking about. So
USD possible entry at 61.8.
so guys, this is a limit you guys can set, and your target is 1 to 5. Oh, look at that, beautiful.
So we could get a possible bounce on this 61.8 level at 1.15522. It is definitely an area that I could see a bounce from. We are rejecting these orders over here, so I would stay very risk adverse for this trade. It is a risky one. The commission isn't high either. I only had to pay $1 today for Thomas's exchange. Yeah, the commission on Bybit's really good. You guys won't have any problems. Naz is absolutely smoking to TP. How's Naz doing? Printing down. Naz should be at around a 1 to 5 for you guys right now. We're at a 1 to 6.
Oh, look at that, gold. Go to gold. Go to gold.
Naz is looking clean. 1 to 6.
Gold. What an entry. Oh my god.
Yeah, gold also smoked straight to the downside. Unfortunately, we didn't get
So guys,
that entry.
whoever shorted gold, right? Let's say you're in a short on gold. Our target is, well, my personal target is 4,250. Make sure you hold that.
Yo, that would have been a clean entry. Eh?
Nas up 4R.
No, it's up 6. Thomas.
It's up 6.
My-
That's the original one, yes. But he probably took the based on the stop loss of the 618. When I was showing them, they can use it if it goes to the entry. But guys, we got the entry here, so
We got a clean
you should
entry.
have had.
Well, how much
tighter.
does your transaction today cost? My transaction, I think, also cost around $2 for my trade. I think around 2. 1 or 2. I don't know. It's received the exact input. Oh, I see. Sorry about that. But a lot of these trades we're getting into are very quick. We have to think quick. We have to give you guys the entry pretty quick. So it isn't easy for you guys to obviously follow along exact entries.
Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I think we will log off. The currencies are quite slow today. GBP NZD, if you are in the long, you can go break even. So like I've mentioned just now, GBP NZD, you can wait for a green candle. I've said that I think like 10 times already. Where's that price scale on the left?
Did any of you guys get into this GBP NZD trade? There's so much confusion here.
So I've said you guys must wait for a green candle to close
Lucas
green.
is in GBP and ZD as well.
Nice, well done, Lucas.
Seems like this guy's Mr. Quick Fingers. He's in everything.
Yeah, he probably disabled that one click.
Boom, boom, boom.
Full magen. So, like I said, once a green candle closes, you can go long. So now, if you are in this trade, you can go break even, because what most likely to happen, market comes back and retests
Nice,
the 200 MA and continue to the upside. If you want to hold, which what I will do, go break even and hold, and your target is over here. So 1 to 20. If you're risking $100, you making $2,100. That's
Exactly.
pretty good.
It's a swing, guys, so you'll be holding this trade for a couple of days, most probably.
You never know these days.
You never know when Trump's gonna post some crazy
Oh, look at
tweets
that.
and price is just gonna dump.
Let me show them a trick actually they can use here. So guys, whenever you have a wick to the upside, and let's say you miss an entry, what you can do is take low to high, and then you enter in on the negative 27, right? If you enter in on the negative 27 and you wanna long,
CPI tomorrow, yes.
if you want a long, so what you can do for the long is just move, adjust your negative 27 and flip that fib,
What is she?
so you can reverse it, and what you can do is that long 61.8, which most likely to give you a reaction. So negative 27, 618, but in this way it reacted to have you sent all the Fibonacci's for them,
Yeah.
the settings and all of that? So in the webinars, I will show you guys all the tricks on how to you can use your Fibonacci for your advantage, and I will give it to you rule based, so you don't have to think. You can just apply the rules.
Today we have all senior trading style.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I think that's it for today. We're gonna log out, and
Yeah, boys.
we will see you tomorrow on the webinar on the Discord.
Definitely.
And I'll update you guys with all the currencies and
Thank you, boys. Appreciate
the
it.
pin bar
It was a
entries.
fun one.